Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with my October free card kit that I've put together for you guys. It's not quite a card kit, it's 2 cards and a tag kit. So I will leave all of the details on how to get this down below, but pretty much you place an order in my online shop for $50 or more before tax and shipping, and I will send you this along with some other surprise goodies because I like to spoil you guys because it's super fun. So this is what you make. It'll come with instructions. So I'm not going to put anything together here. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I will send you. So the tag will come in a little bag with all the pieces you need, including some twine. This is our shimmer trim that I love. It's like a sticker, but it's shimmery and beautiful, and everybody needs some bling in their life, right? And I pre-stamp everything for you. Everything's pre-cut. So these are just fast and fun, and you kind of get to sample some of the stuff. This one is the Gather Together. So again, I've pre-cut everything. I used our stitched circle dies for this. I even give you pop dots for it. I pre-cut all of your strips of paper, and I've stamped the card already. So all you have to do is glue stuff down. There's that one, and the last one, the full heart card. It comes with the card and the envelope, same with the Gather Together. You just have to glue everything together. I gave you a little pop dot. You can add any other embellishments that you want to these. You can make them your own, or you can just put them together exactly how I lay out in the instructions. Totally up to you guys. And so some of the products that I used were the fancy tags. I love this set, so I use this big, nice, giant one. And I cut that out in espresso. I used our Grateful Heart paper pack and the coordinating cardstock. So I used saffron, fern, and the espresso. I used our stitched circle framelits, or thin cuts. And the stamp set I used is called, let's see if I can get it to focus. Focus with me here. There we go. Thanks and Giving. It's the October stamp of the month. And how cute is this? So what I like about this is it kind of gives like a written look, right? And it looks like that is hand drawn, but then you still have the block letters too that are nice and crisp. So I thought that was cute. Got an arrow and some leaves and flowers and this heart. I've seen lots of people do cute things with this, and they color in the little leaves and flowers. Adorable. And it's great for card making, but also scrapbooking with like the Remember This. Great stamp set. So the Stamp of the Month sets, they are $18.95 by themselves, or they are only $5 when you place a $50 or more order with Close to My Heart. So you can place your $50 order, get a Stamp of the Month, and get a free card kit sent to you guys. You guys, that's a great deal. So make sure you leave me a comment down below if you like this free card kit, if you want me to keep doing it. Leave any questions down there, and I will be sure to answer them for you guys. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye.